Bet. It's recording. Yeah, your boy about to try to heat this case up so I can drop the crank in here. It's really gonna be my first time ever doing this. I ain't never really heated the case up and, you know, freeze the bearing and everything. I got the crank in the freezer. It's been in the freezer since like 2 last night. I popped the bearing out on the other side of the case, which is right here. Cleaned him up, you know. But yeah, I'm about to go and heat it up, man. You know, this gonna be my first time doing it. I mean, I split a case before, but I did it on the Warrior and I swapped cranks and all that. But the crazy thing about it, that mug went right in. I didn't have to heat nothing up, none of that bullshit. Kind of smacked it a little bit, smacked it in, and I ain't do none of that. But hey, we had to use some screws to push this crank out. It went easy though, me and the homie. But yeah. Yeah, so supposedly, when you heat the case, it give you more room to, you know, put the bearing in. You know, you freeze the bearing and it shrinks it up. Which is basically widen the hole a little bit. Some shit we can't see the naked eye, you know. But hey, I might make this the start of my vlogging and shit, man. Got them boys in the 918, we be popping out, you know. My Raptor been down for a minute, man. Had to order a whole new crank. I don't do nothing fancy. I ain't do no stroke or nothing like that, but I did go with an aftermarket. I'm gonna go back with the Yamaha crank. I went with the, you know, the hot rods right there. Aftermarket, but stock. My phone going crazy. Saw them boys in that group. Yeah, I'm gonna try to heat it up real good. Hopefully I can just slap it in. I ain't had no problems, man. I'm gonna try to hang it off the edge just a little bit. That way, when I slap it in, the other half of the crank ain't slapping the table. You know what I'm saying? So you ain't gotta be no rocket scientist to do this shit. I fucking YouTube shit. But I am mechanically inclined. I heard you're supposed to heat it up. Like most people put the case in the oven and heat that bitch up or whatever. But I wasn't trying to do all that because I ain't want to take my transmission out. There's no work for me. I got a heat gun. I ain't got no torch, but shit, I ain't seen it work like this. I just hope it going smooth, man. I've been having the crank in the oven, in the freezer since 2 last night. I don't know what the hell I was doing up. I decided to jump on this last night, clean the gasket off of it and everything. Crazy thing about it, I cleaned the gasket off both cases, and then I got to the stator cover, and I lost my razor blade. It look crazy. I got my workbench up in the house, cause you know it's real bike life over here. Real bike life. The garage pretty crowded. Got the Raptor down. Got a DS650. I got one of my friends, YZ 450 here. And I got a partner's YZ 450. Yamaha over here, I guess. You know. I really don't know. I have to see. I ain't got no motherfucking a thermometer or some shit. However you check the readings of metal and shit. I know it ain't a thermometer, but you know what I'm talking about. Know what I'm talking about? Crazy. Is he gonna get really fucking high? I'm trying to be a YouTuber and I'm up for cussing. But hey, it is what it is. So man, I've been doing this for 6 minutes, bro. I don't know, I guess I might need to try to drop the crank and put it on the freezer. I zip tied it in the freezer just so it won't get all fucked up. Would have been in the freezer, but I feel like it would have been cold. That's why it's pretty dry, right? Alright, man, we about to make it shake. See what's happening. See what's popping. This is what we gonna do. Cut this motherfucker now. Yeah, this bitch pretty cold as hell. Tell you that. Let me put the bag here. Oh yeah, cold as hell. Okay. Feel that heat out there. Come on now. Went right in. Perfect. Yeah, y'all ain't got about no type of tools, man. No type of tools to put a crank in, to take a crank out. None of that. That baby slid right in. Pretty sure it's all the way in. Yep. I'm looking at it seated pretty good. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, people, no tools needed. No crank puller, no case splitter, none of that. I bust her down, perfect. Like I said, y'all, this about to be the start of my vlogging, man. Next, I guess I'm gonna show the video of me dropping it in. I kind of waited. I've been having this crank. I've been waiting to put it in because I ordered the crank, but I was being cheap. I ain't even gonna lie. Ordered the crank, and I didn't order the bearing for the other side case. Basically, they go on this side of the crank. So I ordered it, and it's coming in the mail today. Check the shipping. I ordered that. And some new piston rings for my piston. So I'm gonna be good. I guess I need to try to take something and oil this back down, because this is like frost. I'm pretty sure it's gonna dry up and turn into some type of water, which I ain't big on right now. I don't know what they do about that, but my thing is I'm gonna try to wipe it off, get as much water off of it, whatever it is, the frost off, and oil it. You know, oil it. But hey, that's the best method, man. I mean, you can buy a case splitter and a tool if you want, but that motherfucker went right in and it's seated too, properly. And what helped, I guess, with the weight of the crank and everything, that helped push it in too. Cause I pushed, but I didn't have to push too hard. So yeah, your boy is in the building. You better watch out. There's 700 coming for them 450s. You heard? Especially if you ain't Honda, it's really coming for you. I mean, if you ain't Yamaha, I'm tripping. Yeah, I got a thing. All them boys we be riding with got all them Hondas and shit, man. But yeah, if you ain't Yamaha, I'm coming for you, for sure, for sure. Yeah. But I guess I'm gonna end this right here. I guess I did fucking 6 minutes of heating the case up. But yeah, once the bearing get here, I'm gonna tune y'all in on that install. I'll let you.